How to adjust who can see your Snapchat location. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in this guide video, I'm about to simply guide you on how you can adjust who can see your Snapchat location on the Snapchat app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't updated Snapchat, you can head over to your app store. In the search box, you can type in Snapchat and then simply go ahead and download or update the Snapchat application to the latest version. After that, I'm going to open Snapchat, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged in, and make sure you have also turned on your location services. Simply make sure you have turned on your GPS in order to use the Snap Map feature. So once we do that, we're going to open Snapchat and we are going to go to the map section by tapping on the bottom left hand side of the screen on this map icon. As you tap on this map icon, we're going to be taken to this page right over here where we'll show you a list of the Snapchat maps and the people and your friends. Now let's say we only want a certain group of our friends to actually see our Snapchat location. Instead of everybody or instead of nobody, we only want a certain group of a certain set of profiles on Snapchat to actually be able to see our Snapchat location. And in order to do that, what you want to do is, after you're on this page right over here, on the top right hand side you can see this gear icon, which is the settings icon. So you can simply tap on this icon, and as you tap on this icon, you can see if you've actually turned on ghost mode. You want to make sure that this ghost mode is currently turned off, because if ghost mode is turned on, no one else will be able to view your location on Snapchat. So simply make sure that the ghost mode is actually turned off, and after that you can see we have been given three options as to who can see our Snapchat location. The first is simply your friends, which means every people who are friend on your Snapchat will actually be able to see your Snapchat location. And the next thing your option you have is called my friends except, which means that basically all of your friends except a few people whom you don't want to see or give your location to that people. And the last option we have is only these friends, which means only a specific set of friends. Let's say you have some of the friends whom you actually want to share your location with. You can go ahead and simply select any of those people right over here, and then come back and then adjust those settings. As we said, we have been given three options, which says my friends except a certain blah 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 people, and after that you have only these friends, which means only a certain people whom you actually want to share your location with and no one else other than that. Go ahead and do that, tap on save, and your location will be successfully saved. So this was the way on how you can very easily adjust your location and who can actually see your location on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, also simply make sure to leave them down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.